Michael McKee from Bloomberg Television and Radio. Mr. Chairman, you were, by your own admission, behind the curve in starting to raise rates to fight inflation. And you said earlier, again, the full effects of our tightening cycle have not yet been felt. How will you decide when to cut rates, and how will you ensure you're not behind the curve there?
So we're aware of the risk that we would hang on too long. You know, we know that that's a risk, and we're very focused on not making that mistake. And we do regard the two, you know, we've come back into a better balance between the risk of overdoing it and the risk of underdoing it. Not only that, we were able to focus hard on the price stability mandate, and we're getting back to the point where, which is what you do when you're very far from one of the two mandates. You're getting now back to the point where both mandates are important, and they're more in balance too. So I think we'll be very much keeping that in mind as we make policy going forward. And the things we'll be looking at, I've already described. You know, we're obviously looking hard at what's happening with demand, and what we see the same thing other people see, which is a strong economy, which really put up quite a performance in 2023. We see good evidence and good reason to believe that growth will come in lower next year. And you see what the forecasts are. I think the median participant wrote down 1.4% growth, but, you know, we'll have to see. It's very hard to predict. We'll also be looking to see progress on inflation and you know, the labor market remaining strong, but ideally without seeing the kind of large increase in unemployment that happens sometimes.
When you begin the cutting cycle, will it be essentially run the same way you do it now with raising rates, where you basically do trial and error cut and see what happens, or will you tie it to some particular measure of progress?
We haven't typically tried to articulate, with one exception, really specific target levels, which was, some of you will remember the thresholds that we used in, I guess, 2013. The answer is these are things that we haven't, you know, really worked out yet. We're sort of just at the beginning of that discussion.